This video shows how to replace the color imaging kit for Xerox VersaLink C415 color multifunction printer. The color imaging kit is accessible from the right side of the printer. To replace the imaging kit, open door A and door B. To remove the right side cover, release the latches and pull the cover off the printer. To remove the waste toner container, release the latches and pull the container straight out of the printer. Using the handle, lift the toner cartridges out of the printer. To unlock the imaging kit, rotate and pull the levers up on both the sides. Pull the imaging kit out until it stops. Press the release latch and pull the imaging kit out of the printer using the two handles. Remove the new color imaging kit from the box. Press and unlock the latches, then remove the packaging material from the imaging kit. The imaging kit includes 4 color imaging units and the frame with the drums. Be careful to protect the drums from fingerprints and light. Hold the handles of the imaging kit and insert it back into the printer. Pull down the levers to lock the imaging kit drawer. Insert each toner cartridge back into the printer, then push it down until it clicks into place. Insert the waste toner container back into the printer. Insert the right side cover and push it towards the printer until it clicks. Close door A and B.